Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F23 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down and click on lock screen. After that, you need to click on screen lock type and pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Tap on the best one for you and enter it. Then choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm. Over here, you can adjust notifications on your lock screen however you wish to and even disable them completely by tapping on the switcher. When you're ready, click on done, and if you wish to back up your pattern, choose continue and log in into your Samsung account. I don't want to, so I'll go with home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!